Hey guys, here is the Blackview A20, the budget phone, around the 14 bucks with the big display 5.5-inch Android Go edition and a quad-core CPU. Blackview. This is the brand Blackview. So A20 Android Go edition 5.5 QHD display, IPS display, 3000 mAh battery, quad-core CPU by MediaTek, dual cameras, 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. Here are the dimensions. So gray color. There is a blue and gold color too. So go ahead and open it. This box. Okay. There is a charger and micro USB cable. It comes with a pre-installed screen protector and case cover. Plastic. Dual camera with bokeh effect. It is a removable battery. Lithium polymer bell loudspeaker. Dual SIM cards with micro SD expandable memory. There is a peel of the battery. It needs to be removed. 3000 mAh battery. For this price range, it's good. Okay. So So on the right side there's a power button, volume rocker at the top, micro USB port, 3.5 headphone jack, my microphone, dual camera with LED flash, there is no noise cancellation microphone, earpiece, front facing camera. So front facing camera is a 2 megapixel and the main camera is a 2 and 8. So it comes with Android Go edition with this hardware. It will work fast and smooth, as you can see. So it's a good standing hand, 5.5 quad QHD display. There is no HD resolution. And we'd go picture size is the 5 megapixel. Oh, sorry, yes, this is the 5 megapixel camera, main camera. Of course, with this $14 phone, you can get a better, amazing camera, but it can take good pictures, I think. So interface is the clean, fast and smooth working, good standing hand, 5.5 inch. Crisp and loud speaker. There is around 254 megabyte free memory, around 6 gigabyte of free storage available to user. You can change the navigation bar and also can be hidden. There are some features like background auto clean memory to speed up your device if this app's not be used for a long time. There is a Blackview notice application, calculator, standard apps from a. So there is a FM radio, Google Go Edition apps, YouTube Go Edition for smooth and fast opening and watching. Pretty nice device. I like it actually. Yeah. Pre-installed case. Okay guys, hope you enjoy my videos. Subscribe for more coming videos with new phones, uh, reviews and other things. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.